A routine traffic stop in rural New Mexico turned into a deadly shootout, and the police body cam video is shocking. On May 6, 2025, officers from the New Mexico State Police pulled over a pickup truck north of Truth or Consequences City. The driver, a 75-year-old man from Las Cruces, New Mexico named Dennis Ritchie Jones, wanted on a warrant, allegedly opened fire during the stop. The moment the gunfire erupted, the situation spiraled fast. A chase began, the suspect's truck fled, and an officer returned fire. This video captures these chaotic events as they unfolded. Warning! This video contains scenes that some may find distressing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Chevron park lot, but that's the boy falls into the circle. Hello, sir. I'm also very much Mr. Police. Even if the stop, sir, is a registered owner of this vehicle probably has a warrant. Have you bought this from anyone recently? You have a driver's license on you then? Are you from Arizona at all? No, never ever? You have the registration and insurance for the vehicle? No weapons or anything on you right now? Alright, if you can't find it, can you just step out for me and we're gonna walk back to my unit, alright? Can't find it, you just want to walk back to your unit. Shots fired, shots fired, shots fired. I didn't pull a gun on me, I need assistance, please. He's taking off right now.
Right now, we have shot fired for horrible traffic. Location national phase 4 in front of the Chevron. Somebody on a 10-4,
10-4, take it.
10-4.
Is he getting on Highway 181? He's still going 181? Northbound. ETA on backup, he's still moving.
We did advise Sierra County, they are getting units en route, and they will not CT at this time.
I'm at Alpha View Lane, Arrowhead, or
Unit 4 is still from 10-9.
10-4, he's going up a Highlands Road up to a property. Put your hands up! Put your hands up! I'm gonna shoot you! He's shooting back, he's shooting back. Shots fired, he's shooting. Put your hands up!
SoCal, Motor 9, were you directed that last 29, sir?
He's down on the ground, possibly hit.
10-4, direct male down, possibly hit.
Put your hands up! Let me see your hands!
TAC 26, go ahead.
you could just advise that.
Right, because there is looks like some kind of body matter.
Right.
I got you.
So I'm talking about. For sure.
That matter is down on that side.
Yep.
Let's move vehicle up. What do you think?
We're
Use
good.
this cover?
Sir, you're gonna drive your unit up. You're gonna secure your weapon. You're gonna drive your unit. We're gonna stack up on your unit as cover. You on that side, and you on this side.
Go ahead.
One hand on the ground. I don't see anything in it. I can't see the other hand underneath. Just one hand.
Moving out.
Hand on this side, LT.
Take in.
Left hand.
I got hand on this side. I can see open hand.
I got hand on his chest on this side of the truck.
Is it open?
I can't tell.
The other hand is across the chest. That one is also open. Nothing in it.
Alright.
Hawkins. Alright, we'll move up.
Hand is closed.
Your officer's got phone out.
I can't tell if the firearm is in his left hand. Firearm is possibly in his left hand.
He's down, Sheriff. 1102 Southbound.
If we're 1100 is requesting if we still need any type of air support drones or 807.
Negative, we're not going to need that. It appears the subject is 10-7 at this point. We'll wait on EMS for confirmation. You all right?
10-4, negative on drones at this time. Male subject is possibly 10-7.
Get some backseat tape.
Yes, sir.
All the way out to that.
Back in by your unit. Huh? Okay.
Have a 15
Downgrade all you guys.
So we'll lock it down back here.
Yeah.
We'll lock it down back here.
Appreciate it. If I can get an officer or a deputy
squaring you off.
at the corner so that when my IV agents come in, they know where we're coming. Thank you.
You okay? Good?
All right. Appreciate it, boss.
You alright? Yeah. Well, I guess. Yeah.
All right.
Lock it down. Did what you needed to do, sir.
For now, stop this recording and start a new one. Okay?
And